Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of On Track with Ray. Today we are filming the 5th video for our beautiful Märklin layout that we're building. Since the last video we have done quite a bit of work. We could now actually run trains. The track is pretty much all laid. We still have a little bit to do on the narrow gauge turntables and finishing up the narrow gauge lines. The Märklin HO lines are pretty much done, and we're going to show you what we've done so far. I'm going to walk around the layout and pretty much cover everything that we've done up to this point. So we've made some tremendous progress on this layout. We finished all the substructure for our mountain range and the narrow gauge layout. That took quite a bit of work. We got it all planned out. We got all the track laid. You can see here the narrow gauge station and turntable is going to be right over there. That'll be the base station, okay? And then the narrow gauge line is going to go from this side all the way up the ramp, over the bridge. It's going to come up that large incline, and then it's going to curve around, and it's going to basically wind up at the mountain station all the way on the top right there. The turntable is completely done as far as the programming. There are over 140 wire connections on this turntable, and that was a tremendous amount of work, and we will have that fully operational. And many of the structures are built for the layout. We just basically set up a few structures here so you could see how beautiful they are. The place and the position of where these structures are now is not exactly going to be how we have it. We just did this to create the video to kind of show off the structures. But all these structures are made by MBZ. They're all laser cut and laser engraved, and they're all painted with high quality mineral paints. And we have a couple of in-house guys that paint and build all the structures for us. This one right here in the end, it's a beautiful hotel. It really is a phenomenal structure. It looks so beautiful. I hope that the camera picks up the beauty, because when I'm looking at it now, it's really tremendous. This is also a really nice building. It took a lot of time to program all these signals and to coordinate them with the software, but we finally got all that done. We're going to finish up the layout now with adding all the ballast and the scenery, all the trees, all the lighting. The one last major project of this layout is to finish up the fully automated Faller car system. The Faller car system, we already have some of the roads built, is going to run through here. You can see the road. We already have a Faller bus on the spot. It's going to follow around. It's going to go over the tracks. We created a siding, or I could say a crossover on the tracks over here. And it's going to continue in town and then come back. As it comes back, it's going to follow this road back up again. It's going to go up this ramp. It's going to go over this bridge over here, and it's going to continue through here all the way on top there, and then come back around and do the circuit again. The layout has a lot of signals. It has a lot of dwarf signals on all the rails, all the turnouts. We finished weathering all the track. You can see all the track is painted and weathered. It looks really good. The bridge now is fully functional. It goes up and down when you press the green button. Here's another beautiful MBZ city block. We automated all the semaphore signals with blocks, and these are beautiful Märklin signals. The new Märklin signals are probably some of the best that we've seen on the market today. They're pretty much completely wireless. I mean, they're amazing how they constructed these signals. But you could see here, this signal, when the train's going to pass, is up, and it's green. As the train passes, the signal arm comes down, just like in real life, and turns red. How cool is that? We plan on finishing this layout in 2022 and delivering it to our customer in Utah. And at that point, we hope to have an open house on site to really showcase all the scenery and trees and all the landscaping that we're going to do. And at that point, we're going to be running many trains, and we are going to make more videos of that to showcase that and show it off. But yeah, the layout is really coming along great. Here we have the software. Everything is programmed. This is Reynauld Gold software, and it's probably one of the best softwares on the market for a model railroad. It's also the most expensive, but it's really the only software on the market where you could include a fully automated turntable. Reynauld makes some other great softwares like the bronze and the silver, but those softwares you cannot include a fully automated turntable. You got to upgrade to the gold. Shadow station is finally all done as well. All the track is painted and weathered. Looks really great. Can't wait to start working on the mountains. That'll be so cool. What a great layout. In 2022, when we are done with this layout, we are going to take new reservations for the next layout. We are currently in the process of building a brand new building behind our store. It's going to be a big building. It's going to be about 100 feet by 40 feet. We're going to have industrial garage doors that open and close so we can transport the layouts in and out easily. And we will start taking reservations for a new layout sometime in the summer of 2022. How cool is that? I haven't pressed that green button in a while. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, how cool is that? I better get that bridge down before the train comes, or we're gonna have a problem. Oh God. Get down, bridge. Oh man, I could sit here all day and play with that. That is so cool. Love it. Our layout builder, he actually built the electronics, the motor, the servos for this bridge. This is a beautiful steel bridge. This bridge is made by Hock. It's a German company, and they specialize in building bridges. And really, it is a fantastic company, and they make hundreds of different bridges in different scales. It's so cool. Seamless and flawless. Well, that concludes our 5th video on this massive Märklin layout. We will make video number 6 sometime in the early spring when we get a lot of the scenery in. We appreciate you watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we wish you guys a great weekend. And if you're ever in the Chicagoland area, please come and visit Reynauld's. There's a lot to see.